So graphing y is equal to 3x plus 3, right? This has a y-intercept at 3, that's right here, and a slope of 3. So if I go to the right by 1, I need to go up by 3. Okay, so that's going to be approximately here. So we have our line right here. And we also know that it will intersect the x-axis, right? When is y equal to 0? Well, it happens when, right, we move 3 to the other side, divide both sides by 3, and you get -1. So this is -1. Now, for the parabola, y is equal to x plus 2 squared minus 3. The vertex is at -2 minus 3. So that's here. So that's -1, -2, -3. So that's going to be here. Okay, so it seems very close to this, actually. Right, but now if I choose a point that's to the right, right, which is -1, right, plugging in for -1, you get this for our y value. Right, this is going to be 1 squared, so that's 1 minus 3, so you get -2. So at -1, we have to be at -2, and because of the axis of symmetry, at -3 will be also at -2. So it looks kind of like this. Okay. So it seems like it actually intersects at -2, right? So let's figure out what the actual value is for the line here when you plug in for -2. So when you plug in for -2, you get this, right? This is going to be -6 plus 3, which gives you -3. So at -2, you get -3. And if you look at here, right, the vertex is at -2, -3. So they do intersect right here. Okay, so you can find an intersection point by graphing this and seeing that, right, it's not as accurate as possible if you graph it by hand, right? But if I plug in for -2 for this x value, I get -3 back, which is exactly the same here.